I am confident they will explore new business opportunities with our city and state. I must place on record the outstanding efforts and contributions made by our Special Chief Secretary Tourism, Srimati Chandana Khan, but for whose effort these kind of activities would not have been possible. Andhra Pradesh has got the Best State Award for Comprehensive Tourism Development in the country for 2012-13 for the second time. We have also got 6 distinct awards: Best International Airport, our Rajiv Gandhi International Airport; Best Heritage City, Tirupati; Best Maintained and Disabled Friendly Monument, Golconda Fort; Best Film Production Friendly State, Atithi Devo Bhava; and Best Standalone Convention Center, that is Leonia Resorts in Hyderabad. I think all the participants, you will really have a good experience. We call it Amazing Andhra Pradesh. You will certainly have an amazing experience. Our state offers a package for everyone, for the international traveler, for the domestic traveler, for travelers of any budget, any group, any category. If you look at our state, we offer many kind of tourism which you will come to learn in the course of the day. We have got a tremendous opportunity. We are developing beach tourism. Andhra Pradesh has got 972 kilometers of coastline. Our wildlife, for example, if you get the opportunity to go to Nagarjuna Sagar Tiger Reserve or Kawal Tiger Reserve, we have got many more wildlife tourism destinations. It is worth visiting them. We have got tremendous opportunities. Our Special Chief Secretary was referring to the palaces, to the heritage, to the art, craft, culture of our state. And in Hyderabad itself, you will get a very strong package. We have got a Buddhist circuit. We offer wellness tourism, temple tourism, river tourism, convention tourism, business tourism, and we have got excellent hotels, travel facilities and infrastructure which we are strengthening. One more new area which we are strengthening is rural tourism. For example, many of our tribal areas, if you go to Visakhapatnam, you go to Araku, what Special CS has done, if you go to Anantagiri, Araku or Paderu, you will find the experience as really worthwhile. Let us come to Hyderabad. What Hyderabad offers? Now Hyderabad, you can see that it offers mega opportunities for tourism. Starting from Charminar, Golconda Fort, Kulli Kutasai tombs. I was myself, I got the opportunity of serving the city as the commissioner for 4 years. I know the nooks and corners of the city. There are many places in Hyderabad which need to be discovered and there is a need to promote tourism there. Some of them are Kulli Kutasai tombs, Chomola Palace, Purana Haveli, Falaknama Palace, Parigaha tombs, new ventures like Ramboji Film City, quite a lot of our Hussain Sagar. Recently we have taken a decision to develop Miralam Tank, which is another beautiful, we can develop water research and tourism. Coming to Vizag, we have got many opportunities. You have got the temple of Simachalam, we have got the beach tourism, then you have got the tourism in the tribal areas, particularly Araku, Paderu and Anantagiri. Then Tirupati, the abode of Lord Venkateswara, it is a very important tourist destination. We have got many more important temples like Sri Kalahasti, Kanipakam, and even Talokona, there are our waterfalls, quite a lot of opportunities are there to see. Let us come to Warangal. You have got the Warangal Fort. We have got the Rampa Temple, 1000 Pillars Temple, Bhadrakali Temple, quite a lot of nice places to see. If you go towards Anantapur side or Kurnool side, you will get temples of Krishnadev Raya time, very fine architecture, carvings. In the wildlife, we have got many opportunities. There are many places in Andhra Pradesh that we offer, particularly our state is a state of temples. Practically, there is no state in the country with so many famous, well-built and popular temples. We have got tremendous, we offer a tremendous destination in many of our places, and we focus on infrastructure, our international airport, our tourism policy incentives. I think all these are meant to give a distinct advantage to Andhra Pradesh, and I hope all of you will have a worthwhile experience. I would lastly request you to experiment with Hyderabad cuisine, Hyderabad biryani. I think it is international famous, and you will find you will go for many more times visit to Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh after this experience. Thank you.